Hello and welcome to Entertainment Corner. Well, the big news, of course, is that मुन्नी तो बदनाम हो चुकी है and शीला, well, शीला की जवानी वो भी खत्म हो गई और अनारकली, well, वो तो डिस्को चली गई. Basically, all three of them are away from the limelight. But starting now, the censor board says that, well, as far as we're concerned, we're not going to be lenient with the item number. We are going to bring ourselves down heavily on it. It will not come on television in any form whatsoever. It's shut her down for the Sheilas and Munnis of the world. The Central Board of Film Certification seems to be hell-bent on sealing the fate of the item number with an A certificate.
I know you want it, but you're never gonna get it. तेरे हाथ कभी ना आनी. माने ना माने कोई दुनिया ये सारी मेरी इश्क की है दीवानी.
So far, the censors have been a bit lenient with the item song, but that is set to change. Forthwith, if an item number has raunchy content or depicts women in a bad light, it will be awarded an A certificate, and that means it will not be aired on TV, neither as a promotional video or in the movie whenever it is shown on television. This move on the part of the censor board has come as an attempt to clean up the small screen of obscenity and vulgarity and make it a family space.
सेंसर बोर्ड अपनी जगह एकदम सही काम कर रहा है कि कोई भी ऐसी चीज़ जो सेंसर को लगता हो कि इस चीज़ को दिखाने से जनता का या यूथ का या यंगस्टर का या लड़कियों का बदनामी होता है या उनकी बेइज्जती होती है, तो वो उसको स्टॉप करेंगे, विच इज़ राइट थिंग एंड आई थिंक सो इट्स अ गुड थिंग, इट्स नथिंग बैड. क्योंकि मैं कभी ए पिक्चर बनाता नहीं, आपको ही पता है, मैं बड़ा यू और यूए वाले फिल्म बनाता हूँ एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि अगर ऐसा कुछ हुआ है तो.
नाच गाना जो है वो हमारे फिल्म का जो जरिया जो है उसका एक बहुत अहम और बहुत एक अच्छा हिस्सा है और उसको बरकरार रहना चाहिए. सिर्फ ये था कि अगर कोई इस तरीके से नाच गाना वगैरह दिखाया जा रहा है कि जो सिर्फ एक मैच्योर आंखों के लिए है, एक मैच्योर ऑडियंस के लिए, तो इन विच केस तो वैसे भी वो ए सर्टिफिकेट उसको मिलती ही थी. तो बाकायदा डांस नंबर्स हो सकते हैं जहाँ एक सेंशुअल क्वालिटी उसके अंदर आ सकती है, बट वी शुड बी केयरफुल अबाउट मेकिंग विमेन इनटू अ सेक्सुअल कमोडिटी, जो होता है कभी.
Also, the board has decided to get tough with movies in which any kind of direct or indirect violence against women is shown.
अंगड़ाइयाँ लेती हूँ मैं जब जोर जोर से, वो आह की आवाज है आती हर ओर से.
It will recommend a deletion of such scenes or songs and will not allow these even in A-rated films. This decision has come in the wake of rising crime against women in the country. This after the Delhi gang rape incident.
मेरे फोटो को सीने से यार चिपका ले सैया फेविकॉल से.
Though the move has been appreciated by feminists and social groups, there is an opposing view that sensuality is part of the aesthetic of art and cinema. And that there should be no move to discourage it.
देखिए, आइटम सॉन्ग मतलब जो होते हैं, जो वल्गर होते हैं, जो छोटे रेंज के होते हैं, वो नहीं चलते हैं. बड़े बड़े आइटम सॉन्ग हिट है जो चलते हैं और जो लोग उस पर डांस करते हैं, जैसे कि आप चिकनी चमले ले लो या हलकट जवानी ले लो, और आप उसको आइटम सॉन्ग भी नहीं कह सकते. बेसिकली इट इज गुड सॉन्ग्स, अच्छे गाने.
And therein lies the thin red line between what is proper and what is improper. With Samina Razak in Mumbai, Denzel O'Connell headlines today. Her name is Sheila ki Javani, and as far as I'm concerned, if it is obscene, it's the end of the story on television for the Sheilas and the Munnis of the world. But joining us for more on this, we have Rohit Khilnani, my colleague in Mumbai. Rohit, tell us what you hear from the ground on this. One, how is the industry taking to it? Two, what's the actual story about the censorship of the item number?
Denzel, what I want to tell you is that, you know, there's no new law, no new amendment, no new resolution passed by the censor board. What they tell us is that of late they've been receiving a lot of complaints from parents, from the general public on the songs that play on TV. What the letters say are that the songs are very vulgar, the lyrics are very vulgar, songs are too raunchy to sit and watch with their kids, with the family, or some parents may not want their kids to watch these songs. So what they're going to do is they may give an A certificate just to the song. So if you're watching that song on TV, you may not be able to watch it, because if the song gets an A certificate, the song cannot play on TV. But it's funny that the same song is allowed in the theatre even though film doesn't have an A certificate. So kids can go and watch in the theatre, but they can't watch it at home. So again, you know, no new law passed, but yes, the number of songs that we see on TV, the item numbers may reduce. So Denzel, if you personally enjoy watching songs like Munni Badnaam Hui, Sheila Ki Jawani and all these songs, you will have to buy a ticket and go to the theatre to watch them.